You want to scale your agency, but you and I both know that you can't do everything alone. You're the salesperson, you're the builder, you're the closer, you're the project management, and the support person at 3 a.m. As an agency, you have a limited budget and a ticking clock. That's why I spent the last 2.5 years building what's now the Claude Code co-founder.
Or as we call it internally, Knowledge Now.
It is everything that is in my brain. All the expertise that I have, the clients that I've delivered for, and it's more than 10 AI skills all bundled together into a framework you can use as easily as asking what's next. It does everything from finding new clients to delivering voice agents with systems to those clients, tracking your entire business on a dashboard, and I am giving it to you for free. Because as an agency, you have a limited time and a limited budget. This is what you've been looking for in order to scale.
Now, let me show you what it looks like when this is actually running.
You'll get a view of your clients, which this Claude Code co-founder project helped you to get.
More importantly, the pipeline, all the people that have not closed, when we should message them by, what were those replies that we got? So essentially, full view of your pipeline in detail, and then you have the full graphic view of your pipeline. And finally, an overview of all your activity this week and your existing clients and potential revenue coming up. Now, this project helps you with every single step of it. We looked at finding clients, close deals, deliver, and then operate the business. Now, let me show you what this looks like in more detail. You also, all of this starts with you cloning the project, which I'm going to show you how to do, and then running agency ops onboarding. And if you're familiar with skills, you notice this is just a skill. Agency ops is a framework I created, and it will walk you through some very simple, straightforward questions to then be ready to set up your finding clients, which includes lead generation. It includes outreach, and then outreach on a scheduled basis. Every day, checks my messages on Instagram, on email, and helps me set up draft replies so that I can go through it with my own voice, but at scale. And your challenge, as I shared in the last video, your challenge is how many messages can you send a week? I recommend at least 100 a week. This is starting with warm network, going to cold network. How do you figure that out? How do you figure out who's your cold network and warm network? How do you create those leads and then message them? That's what the sales masterclass that I just launched is all about. So you can go check it out by clicking the link above. And from that masterclass, I also created this project. So it has all of these skills that I talk about, but it's important that you understand them, that the human understands them, because the AI can bring the speed and the scale, but you bring the judgment. What's your tone? You can't have the AI decide that for you. So in the sales masterclass, I go deep on how to really design your agency so you can scale. Go check it out. Let's keep going. Let's move into closed deals. You'll get a view of the pipeline to make sure that everything can keep moving forward. And this is where the drafting messages comes in. You find new leads, you receive replies from other leads, and you can message them directly with a very easy command. And then finally, we deliver. We got that client. This same project that helps you find the clients also helps you to create voice agents for those clients, automations for those clients, and integrations to their CRMs. And then finally, in your moving forward with clients, you need to send SOWs, contracts, follow-up. You need to be aware of something that you promised that you forgot about and still needs to get done. This is what this project is about. Where do your communications live? Slack, LinkedIn, live calls. You can have everything inside of this project. You just have to ask. And one of the core issues that I see is that people will get one client and then deliver for that client, because that's why you got that client, so you can actually deliver for them, get paid. And in doing so, they stop everything else. They never reach out to another person until the project is done. They don't reply to interested prospects and then lose those prospects. You can't handle everything. That's why I created this co-founder for you. So how you install it is very easy. You're going to go to this link. This is the first link below. This is absolutely free. All you're going to do is go to your Claude Code on your desktop app, or I prefer to use Cursor. And you open up a new window on Cursor, and you're going to click on Clone Repo. Okay, this is going to show up. You just paste the link right there. Bam. So what's going to happen is this whole code, this project is going to get downloaded. It already has a system prompt where it understands what its role is in helping you. It has initial guidance, but then the power of this project is how far you can take it, how many conversations you can have with it. The more you do with it, the more it'll learn from you. And it all starts with one single command. Agency Ops Onboarding. What you're about to see is Claude asking you some questions about where you are with your agency. I'm sharing that I have more than 5 clients. What is my name of my agency? What do I want to set up? I set up Voice AI, but specifically I clarify, we're building a platform for family lawyers. I want to build a platform for family lawyers. I just want to focus it on family law. I know this is going fast, but this is just to show you what you're going to experience once you clone the project. So it's creating a plan with your persona, your essentially what your agency is about, and it literally creates a file called agency.md. And then it digs more into who you are as an agency. What are you having trouble with? For me, it was pipeline and outreach, like most people. My platform is retail. And what CRM am I trying to dig into? Well, it's Clio, the legal CRM. I use N8N, but I also want to use Code. And then I work on a monthly retainer basis, $997 a month. I am a solo operator in this scenario. In reality, we have scaled our agency to tens of thousands of dollars a month and have 8 different employees. And what I'm sharing there is that what I would like help with is automating LinkedIn outreach. And that's really what I need help with. Okay, so now it's suggesting some different steps, like do you want to add a new client, check your pipeline, do an outreach strategy, and that's what resonated the most. Let's do agency ops outreach. That is another skill. And what it shares is that there are no active leads. So let's add some leads. I'll share that I want to start with my warm network and just add a small list of 10 warm contacts. It'll ask me to just paste the list, and it'll start setting up that dashboard that you saw, but with all real leads from your warm contacts. And the other thing that I think is really valuable for outreach is a daily check. So I asked it to set it up for LinkedIn so I can keep track of those 10 warm contacts from my LinkedIn. And then this is what it looks like when it is fully running and checking on all those messages and all that stuff to make sure that you don't ever miss a message from a lead, and that while you're busy building for a client, you can keep your pipeline running normally. Remember that dashboard I showed you where you can see your whole pipeline and your clients? You can get yours with real data by just running this command. What's important for you to understand is that you don't need to remember all the commands. You just need to ask, what's next? This project, I made it so it understands where you are in your journey by just asking a few questions at the beginning. What's next is going to give you sometimes 1, 2, 3 options for you to understand, oh, right, I set up my lead generation pipeline. Now I need to be able to track them. Let's set that up. Let's set the dashboard up so I can get reminders. But the dashboard is where you check, okay? This is what already exists. Inside of Claude Code is where you work. This is where you get things done. So it's the same data. Both know what clients need, what prospects need to be messaged. It's just that with this view outside of the dashboard, you can actually execute. And I want you to understand my vision. I built this whole project for the model of tomorrow. That's what Anthropic CEO talks about. Build projects that will be enhanced by tomorrow's models, not destroyed. This is the structure of how an agency works. That's what you can't have unless somebody gives it to you. However, I don't know your context. I don't know your business. That's where the combination of everything that I know and everything that you know makes this a really powerful project for you. So although this is taking advantage of Opus 4.6 sub-agents, tone, nuance, it will be even better with Claude 4.7, even better with Claude 5. But it still requires you to have several conversations for it to really learn you. Then it will be as effective for you as Knowledge Now is for us. That's the vision. But the point is to make you money. The point is that you get through all the admin tasks. You just start sending messages. So this is plug and play, run the onboarding skill, and start sending those messages. If you want to find out the best way to really scale your agency with through sales, you can go check out my sales masterclass, where I walk you through almost 3 hours of everything that you need in order to sell, including this project. Thank you, and remember to never stop prompting.